Hello everyone, welcome to the next video which we have unboxed, which is I don't know which brand is this? Okay, I have no idea about the brand name. Okay, my apologies for not preparing. Okay, and this is a device that does multiple things. Firstly, it has a fast charger. Okay, wireless. Okay, so if your phone, you just keep the phone here, just like this, and it does charge. Secondly, it has an inbuilt speaker. Okay, and the music is pretty awesome by the way. Right? And next one is there is a digital display which will show the time. Okay, and also there's a light option, so let me turn it on first so you get an idea. So just click on this light icon, just hold for a few seconds, and you see the rainbow colors coming up now. Okay, yeah, so Bluetooth you have to mount, which I'm not going to do now. So if you want to change the colors, you just click on this and you can change the colors of this Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and again you have different colors changing, and you can see the time showing up, okay, in the meter in the digital display. And if you want to charge your phone, you just have to keep your phone here like this, and it does charge. Okay, most works for iPhones and high-end Samsung devices. All right, and you have all this rainbow colors coming up. Okay, so I think it's a must-have for every person who wants to waste their money. All right, so that's part of it. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video. And the product link is in the description if you want to buy it. Okay, anyhow that guy doesn't say like ship it anyhow, but anyhow if you want to buy it. Okay, take care man. Bye. Peace out.